Hey, welcome back to Mini Bike some more. As you guys may know, when I bought this mower, it was supposed to be in good working condition, but when I went to pick it up, it was not. Um, First thing I noticed was this fuel filter had no fuel in it. So if you have a no start issue, you're cranking and nothing's happening, first thing you want to look at is to see if there's any fuel going in there. If there's no fuel going in there, or if it's bubbling, the next thing is this is probably the most important, make sure you have gas in whatever you're working on. You'd be surprised how many three-wheelers and four-wheelers, mini bike stuff that I bought that people said, oh, I don't know what's wrong with it, it won't run. And all I had to do was add gas. So make sure you check that. You'd be surprised how many people don't look at that step. If you got gas in the vehicle that you're working on, what I like to do first to figure out what's going on, I will take the clamp loose right here, and I will literally blow through here to make sure there's no holes. You'll hear the air, or sometimes there'll be enough fuel left in here that it'll spray out, and that's what happened on this one. It actually had a split right down here, so we cut it back, reattached the hose, and tried again. Even after that, it was starting to get a little bit more fuel, but it still was not getting enough fuel. If that's the case, the problem is more than likely this thing right here. Some of you may have never even seen one of those. That's actually the fuel pump for these larger horsepower engines. Like on your three-wheelers or four-wheelers, they're gravity fed. This one actually has a fuel pump to draw it from the tank. I ordered a new fuel pump, some new fuel line, and then as soon as I got this put on, there's only 3 hoses on here. But once that was on there, fuel filter was filled up. You want to replace this when you replace the fuel pump. Most of them, if you order it through Amazon, will come with a new one of those and a new line. So after you do that, try it. It should, if it's not the fuel pump, then your engine is probably low on compression. These do run off compression of your engine. So if your engine is low on compression, it won't actually create the vacuum it needs to pull the fuel in. So those are the 3 things you need to look at if you're not getting, if this is not getting fuel. If it's getting fuel, then you're more likely it's a carb issue. But then you'll have to take it apart, clean it, order a new one, something of those sorts. But hopefully this will get you started. I know it's winter time here, but next spring you'll want to get out there and get mowing, and these are things you want to look at. So please like, subscribe.